Hello everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 7.2 of coordinate geometry for class 10th. Let's continue. Question number 9 is find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A -2 2 and B 2 8 into 4 equal parts. They are saying we are having a line segment AB. A is your -2 2 and B is your 2 8. Okay. Now they are saying this line segment is divided into 4 equal parts. Let it be points C, D and E. Okay. Now you should write C, D, E divide AB into 4 equal parts. Okay, now you can say D is the midpoint of AB. Yes, and if it is AB, you know the midpoint formula. So, using midpoint formula, find out the coordinates of point D. Coordinates of point D, it will be, what was your midpoint formula? That was x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. So by that formula you can do -2 plus 2 upon 2 and 2 plus 8 upon 2. So it will be 0 and 10 by 2, that is 5. Yes. Then after that coordinates of, we will do just make it over here, that is A, B, okay, and this was point D, C and E, okay, and this was your -2 2 and this was your 2 8. Yes, and we have calculated point D. Now we want to find out these two coordinates also, okay, C and E. Now you know C is the midpoint of AD. Yes, so apply the using the midpoint formula. Okay, find out the coordinates of point C. It will be, that is -2 plus 0 upon 2 and 2 plus 5 upon 2, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, so it will be -2 upon 2 and 7 upon 2, or you can say -1 and 7 by 2. Okay, so you got point C also. Now for point E. E is the midpoint of DB. Yes, so using midpoint formula, coordinates of point E will be 0 plus 2 upon 2 and 5 plus 8 upon 2. So it will be 2 upon 2 and 13 upon 2. So it is your 1 and 13 upon 2. So in this way you can do this question. Okay. After this, question number 10th is find the area of a rhombus. So this time you are given a rhombus. Okay. And if its vertices are given, okay, then write A, B, C, D. Okay, that is your 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1. Okay, they are taken in order. Okay, now first of all you should know what is the formula. Area of rhombus is half into product of diagonals. Yes, product of its diagonals. Yes, or you can write area equals half d1 d2. Yes, or you can say half into your d1 is AC into BD. Yes, these are your diagonals. Okay, now you should know the diagonals. Okay, so you use the distance formula and find out the diagonals. AC, so using distance formula, so you know the distance formula, that is D is under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so use it. So under root it will be AC, so minus 1 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 0 square, so it will be minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 and minus 4 square is 16 plus 4 square is 16, so it will be under root 32, or you can write it as 4 root 2. Okay, then second diagonal is your BD, so it will be under root BD. Okay, minus 2 minus 4 square plus then minus 1 minus 5 square, so equivalent minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, minus 6 square is 36 plus minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 and minus 6 square is 36, so this is under root 72, or you can write it as 6 root 2. Area of rhombus is half into AC into BD equals half into AC is your how much, 4 root 2 and BD is your 6 root 2. So area is, to cancel this, So it will be 6 to 12. 12 into 2, it is 24. 24 square units. So in this way, you can do this question. If there is any problem in any step, you can ask in the comment section. Okay. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna.